Okay, example B. This is a word problem. This is what you're more likely to see, even though it would be multiple choice, but at least this is closer. A state seal which is round hangs in the Capitol building. It has a diameter of 14 inches. Find the amount of space the seal covers on the wall. Okay, in this word problem, they don't use the word area. They don't come out and say find the area. They say find the amount of space that the seal covers. Okay, remember, those are key words. Those are big clues that you are trying to find area. All right, so step 1, identify the diameter and radius of the circle. Well, this time they gave us the length all the way across it, and they even used the word diameter. So the diameter is 14. But if we're trying to find the area, remember the formula for area is pi r squared. It doesn't have d or diameter anywhere in there. So that's why this says identify the diameter and the radius, because sometimes they don't give you the radius. You have to use the information that they give you. So if they gave you the diameter, you need to find the radius on your own. Remember, radius is always exactly half of the diameter. So if the diameter is 14, then your radius must be 7. Okay, so step 2, use the formula to solve. Now we can do this. So area equals pi r squared, which means pi times radius times radius. It's radius times itself, not times 2. So for pi, we're going to use 3.14. The radius is 7. Okay, so with multiplication, you can multiply in any order that you want. I like to use just the regular whole numbers first because those are easy. And I usually, know what those are. So I have 3.14 times 7 times 7 is 49. Now all I need to do is multiply these two numbers. So 3.14 times 49. It's not enough space over there. 9 times 4 is 36. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 3 is 12. 9 times 3 is 27 plus 1 is 28. Put a 0 here. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. And 4 times 3 is 12. Add this all up. 6, 8, 13, 5, and 1. You have two numbers behind the decimal in the problem, so you need 2 in your answer. So I got an area of 153.86 inches squared. Okay, that is using 3.14. Again, you can use 3 because this would be a multiple choice problem. And if it's multiple choice, if you round it to 3, it's going to be close enough. So area equals pi r squared. You still use the same formula. Pi times radius times radius. So that's 3 times 7 times 7. So that's 3 times 7 is 49, just like we did right there. And now it's just 49 times 3. 3 times 9 is 27. 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 2 is 14. Man, that multiplication was a ton easier than this multiplication. And look at that. We got so close. It's going to be like that every time. Unless you make a mistake, it's going to be like that every time. And the multiple choice answers, they're not going to be so close apart. It's not like there's going to be one that says 153 and then one that says 150. they're going to be far apart. Like one's going to be 30, and then 150, and then 218. Okay, so you will be able to see which one is the correct answer. So my area is either 147 inches squared, I will accept that answer, or 153.86. I will accept that answer. So, go ahead and do the your turn on your own. Again, you can use 3 or 3.14. I know the answer both ways, so I will accept either answer. Go ahead.